bulldozer. A tractor with an attached blade for pushing earth and building debris for coarse preliminary surface grading, demolishing building structures, etc. One who bulldozes. Historical, chiefly in the plural, a member of a self-identified group of white U.S. Southerners who colluded to influence outcomes of post-Reconstruction elections by intimidating, coercing, and bullying black voters and legislators, including burning down houses and churches, flogging and murdering opponents. By extension, a bully, an overbearing individual. To bulldoze, push through forcefully. B U L L D O Z E R bulldozer.